Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We will discuss our very first time narration. There are absolutely two kinds of narration. Very first kind is direct speech and second one is indirect speech. That's it. Second topic is every sentence of the narrations have two parts. First part, she says to me, that is called reporting speech, and second part, I am happy, that is the reported speech. Out of the comma, reporting speech, between the comma, reported speech. That's it. And now we will discuss the persons. How many persons in the narration? First person, second person, and third person. There are absolutely third persons in the narrations. First person. I, we are the first person. Second person. You are the second person. Just you are the second person. And third person. He, she, it, and they. These are all of third persons. Now we will discuss the persons changing. So, you can write a big word person, and after that, you should choose the S-O-N, the last three digits of the persons. S-O-N. No, persons change. First person change into S means subject. Second person change into O means object. And third person's change into N means no change. And at the end, person's conditions. Person की हालतें. Very first time, we will write the subjective case. Second time, objective case. And last time, possessive case. फाइली हालत, मफ़ऊली हालत, और आखिर में है मलकियती हालत. I, we, these are all first persons. I, me is the objective case, and my is the possessive case. Possessive, my, mera, tera, uska, unka, these are all of possessive case. Now, we, as, are, us is the objective case, and all is the possessive. Now, your. First conditions is you. Second conditions is also you. And last time your. And third persons he, she, it, and they. He, objective case him, and possessive case his. She, her, hers. It, its. They, them, they all. These are all of third persons. That's all. Thank you.